On today's video, I'm gonna be opening up this Samsung Galaxy S10. The tools you're gonna need is an opening tool, Phillips screwdriver, guitar pick, and some adhesive glue to close it. So let's start. First thing I'm gonna do is heat up the four corners. You see all the adhesive glue coming off. Grab a guitar pick. Try to get in there. Go each corner. Get the adhesive to loosen up. Boom. In one shot. Next thing we're gonna do is remove this charging. It's basically a coil, but it's the portable charger, the wireless charger, I mean. So we're gonna remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. And also remember to take out the SIM tray, so that when you get to the motherboard part, it's easy. I mean, you'll be able to take out the motherboard without a problem. So what I'm gonna do over here is tuck guitar pick under. Slide it right on. There we go. Take all the screws. So let's get in this corner. Boom. There we go. Take out that one screw. So that's how you take off that top part. Alright, now next up is to remove these screws. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. Start lifting it up like that. There we go. So here we go. Got these parts off. Now to take off the motherboard, you're gonna have there's 1, 2, and 3 screws. Okay, so it's 1, 2, and 3. Next thing we're gonna do is take off these ribbon connections for the LCD. It's the LCD connection right there. This is for the battery. This is for the headphone jack. And up here is the front camera. You want to remove that. Alright, so now that all of that is off, I believe that you have to pull out the board like this. So let's get back here like this. And make sure I'm not pulling anything too tight, okay. Oh, I forgot the SIM card. See, and I reminded you. So before you remove the board, make sure you take out the SIM card tray. There we go. Now it should come out easily. There we go. Okay. When you're pulling it, try to pull upwards. There you go. So that's how you disassemble it. Sorry, this is how you disassemble it. Let's say you was gonna replace the screen. Same procedure. You heat up the front. You put in the opening tool. Just start lifting up. The screen should come out. This is the screen right here. So as you're heating, you can push it from here, from here. This is the chassis right here. So basically this is how a Samsung S10 looks inside. So now let's put it all back together. So what you want to do is tuck it in like this. Okay, now we tuck it in. Let me take out the battery wire to the side. Push it back in place. Put back the 3 screws that were there before. camera in. Put the battery cable back, LCD, headphone jack. Start from the bottom. Make sure that when you're putting it in, there's corners that need to be tucked in correctly. So there you go. Boom. Alright, once that's in, I'm going to put this back. I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive right here. Not too much. For future repairs. So we tuck it in first like this. Start putting back the screws. Let's just say you do get mixed up because there's like little holes right here. Ignore those highlighted white holes, like where the white lines is at. You want to go where the black holes is at, just in case you get confused. So before I put the cover on, I'm going to show you that it turns on. Boom. So with the cover off, still working perfectly. So the last thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of adhesive in the corner. You don't have to put a lot. You hear the sound. All right. Turn this off real quick. So you're gonna place this, it's tucking it in like this first. That way you can have the perfect alignment for the camera lens. Boom. See? And as you see, it's not broken. perfect job. Turn it back on so you can see. When you finish, just heat it up so the adhesive can compress. That's just glue right there so you can see no crack. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.